Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So as usual, before proceeding with the intraday levels and analysis for the expiry day, we would see the post market analysis for today, that is 23rd June. Okay, so yesterday I have clearly mentioned over here, this is the no trade zone between 34,700 to 800 and a strong resistance zone above 34,800. Okay, and considering the yesterday's downtrend, I was expecting a gap down opening, but it could not happen what I predicted or analyzed. So let us see what happened today. So there was a good gap up opening. Market tried to move upwards towards the resistance zone, but the resistance being the strong, we saw a downfall. So in yesterday's video also I had explained clearly how to take trade if market opens gap up or gap down. Okay, so this was regarding a quick overview of post market analysis. Let us see what do we have for today. Okay, so the levels are few of the levels have changed from support to resistance, and few of the resistance have become more stronger. So from the support point of view, we see a stronger support at 34,000. Okay, we have a good support zone between 34,200 to 300 and a strong support zone at 34,500. So close to which the market is standing, we can say. And yesterday we had seen that 34,700 is a good support zone, but now we can see it has been broken, and it will act as a good resistance for tomorrow. 34,800 has become a strong resistance level, and strongest resistance is at 35,000 level. If you go above this particular level, we have a very strong resistance zone between 35,100 to 35,300. Okay, so from this you can clearly identify that the bears are more stronger than bull, at least for the first half. So these equations can even change as market opens, maybe within half an hour or something, but at least from the day end point of view, we can say bears are more stronger, and I am at least expecting a bearish move tomorrow. Okay, so this was related to the resistance and support level. What I'm expecting is, if market is able to break down this particular level 34,500, then we can see a sideways market between this particular level, that is 34,200 to 34,500. So of these two levels, we can see 34,200 is a bit more stronger level. Why? Because more because at this particular level more OI data is been created. Okay, so now how will you take trade? So if the market opens gap up, okay, from the current position, then do not jump initially into trade, because we have a good resistance. Let it reverse. When it reverse, go on the selling side, so that you can get the benefit. And same things I have shown with these red arrows. When these particular levels are broken from the top, you can go on the selling side, and you need to wait for particular instance, or we can say to reverse from this particular support levels, then go for the buying side as indicated by the green arrow. Okay, so this was regarding tomorrow's levels and analysis. So from learning point of view, I have shown one shooting star candle formation at 14 p.m. So those who have waited till here and took trade after this, they might have got a good downtrend and good benefit as well. One more thing I wanted to show from the learning point of view was, if we look at this particular thing, and if I convert my chart to 5 minutes time frame, okay, let us convert at 5 minutes time frame. you might be able to see or how to draw the trend line. Okay, now what I'm able to see in the 5 minutes time frame, I can draw a trend line considering this point. Okay, so you can see market is taking support at this particular level 1, this is 2, this is 3, and the fourth time it gave a breakdown. So at breakdown of this particular level and 34,700, if you would have taken a trade, you would have got uh, almost 100 odd points as well. And second thing, people who still don't have knowledge or do not have clear idea how to draw the trend lines, they can just practice on the charts and see by touching at least 2 or more than 2 points. Okay, so here if I draw the trend line, you can see in 5 minutes time frame, at this support of this trend line there is a formation of a hammer and we can see a bullish momentum. Okay, bullish momentum of about 100 points. So in this way you need to analyze and take trades, follow the basic principles of support and resistance, and based on the support and resistance and the trend of the particular what we can say instrument, along with the formation of candles, you can take trades and you can be in a profit. So this was it regarding the expiry in short. uh, I hope all the best for tomorrow, and if you like my analysis, do hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so that you get the daily notifications of the analysis. Okay, thank you.